Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I just have a quick-ish grocery haul for you for this week's groceries. I've filled in some stuff. We've already got a lot of stuff because my husband's been home this week. So we have things like fruit and vegetables and whatnot, but I went and filled in all the blanks that I could possibly need for this snowy weekend because we are supposed to have a snowstorm tonight, Thursday night, and I'm not going out grocery shopping once the snow happens, so I just kind of got whatever else I needed. So this is kind of a cumulative haul. I've got a couple of things that I actually got from online orders that are technically grocery type things, so I thought I would show you them as well. So let's start with this. This is the Natural Vitality Natural Calm, their newest one, which is Calmful Muscles, and it's watermelon flavored. I use this magnesium supplement every night to help kind of chill my body out and help me with my insomnia issues. I also take melatonin, and occasionally I'll do the Benadryl thing as well. But these beverages, the Natural Calm beverages, are a great way for me to end the evening and start an evening routine off right. And the Calmful Muscles one is nice because I've been working out and doing body pump and I've been so sore lately, so I decided to try this out. I tried it for the first time last night. It was actually pretty good. I will have it linked down below for you. I got that on Amazon. And then I also got this on Amazon. I finally ran out of my Julian Bakery Pro Granola. And this is the Weight Watchers friendly granola I talked about a while back. It is 2 smart points for 45 grams of this stuff. It is high protein, low sugar, no sugar. Check that out. Look at that fiber, look at that protein. A serving is technically 37 grams, but you can get up to 45 grams for 2 points. Totally worth it for anybody who wants granola and is on Weight Watchers. I will have this linked down below as well. It's a little bit pricey. 2 bags is $18, but you know what, guys? This lasted me forever. I just reordered it, and I told you about it how long ago? Worth it. So very worth it. And then I also ordered RX bars off the RX bar website. I only grabbed one of each, but I have a box of all of the following. Coffee chocolate, delightful. Berry, delightful. Mint chocolate chip, delightful. And you can still get the gingerbread and the pumpkin spice ones on the website. So good. I'll have RX bar linked down below as well. A fact about how I track RX bars. Technically, they are 7 smart points. If you are following Weight Watchers by the book, it is 7 smart points. I am doing, like I said in a different video, I'm tracking kind of in my own way, and I'm only tracking the nuts because egg whites are 0 points. Dates, technically dried dates are points, but I'm going with it and seeing how it works, and so far it's worked well. I'm only tracking the nuts, which for me makes all of these 3 points instead of 7 points, and they're so good. Yeah, I ordered 4 boxes of RX bars. All right, moving on to like the real grocery haul. From Aldi, I got some chickpeas, garbanzo beans, they're 0 points, onion powder, and parsley because I'm going to try making some 0 smart point hummus. Happy day. I got fat-free half and half. It is 0 smart points for 1 tablespoon and 1 smart point for up to 4 tablespoons. This is what I've been using in my coffee, and I don't miss my sugar-free creamers at all. Fantastic. I got 2 for, oh no, I got medium salsa. How did I let that happen? I'll have to mix them together. It'll be fine. Usually I get mild salsa. Mild salsa. I got 2 fresh salsas that are 0 smart points. I got the Aldi oven roasted turkey breast. I didn't actually look to see like if it met the 0 smart point qualifications. I track all light turkey meat as 0 smart points. This is supposed to be in the freezer, is my husband's, and it's from Walmart, but that's from Aldi and it's a lot cheaper. It was like $3.99 for the pound of meat, so if that's any good, I'll be buying that regularly. Chicken breast, 0 smart points. My husband likes the light and fit Greek yogurts just like me. I have the fancy flavors. He eats the basic flavors. These are 2 smart points apiece. I was that girl today that bought not 1 but 2 containers of the Faye Greek yogurt because I have a couple recipes that require the Greek yogurt. 0 smart points. I got 2 bottles of kombucha. I do not track my kombucha because I don't drink more than half of a bottle in a day, and like the entire bottle is, there's 50 calories in the whole bottle. And I think that's it from Aldi, so we can move on to Walmart. I got the G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce. 0 smart points for 30 grams. 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, 0 smart points. These Simply Cheeto Puffs white cheddar. Technically a serving is 4 smart points. If you manipulate the system a little bit and weigh it out, only, it says 28 grams. If you do 20 grams, it's 3 smart points. Guess that's not really manipulating the system, is it? It's just doing less than a serving. The Quaker Tomato Basil Rice Cakes. My husband and I both love these. 2 smart points for 1, 3 smart points for 2. The Joseph's Pita Bread, 1 smart point. Fat-free cheddar, 0 smart points for 1 serving. I think, oh, and I got eggs, which are 0 smart points. And then we have some Trader Joe's goodness. I had to go to Trader Joe's before the snowpocalypse and stacked up on a couple of things. So first, I'm trying these for the first time. I've heard amazing things about the liquid stevia, 0 smart points. I was running low of my everything but the bagel seasoning. I'm on my last bottle, so I needed to get another one. Every time I'm there, I get 1 or 2 of these. The apple strawberry fruit bar. These are technically 4 points because they are dried fruit. I do not track them, and I limit myself to 1 a day. I bought 2, so it's not like I eat them every day either. It's just a little thing, and because it's all fruit, I don't track it. This is how you make the plan work for you guys. This is how you make it work for you. The vanilla meringues are actually for my husband, but on Points Plus, I bought these for me. They used to be 0 points plus for 1 cookie, or 1 points plus for, I think, up to 4 cookies. It was outrageously low, and so I ate them all the time, and then we changed to smart points. Now they are 2 points for 1 cookie, and 4 points for 2 cookies, and 7 points for 4 cookies. I could be totally wrong. I just scanned this before I started filming, but I've already forgotten. 2 points for 1 cookie instead of 0 points for 1 cookie. So these are for my husband. I got the ever popular Trader Joe's light mozzarella cheese. 1 smart point for an ounce, which is 28 grams, or 1 smart point for 1.25 ounces, 35 grams. 2 reduced guilt mac and cheese, 8 points. My favorite chicken salad, the reduced guilt chicken salad, 1 point for half a cup. 3 points for half of the container, 5 points for the entire container, if my memory serves me correctly. I bought 2 of the fat-free feta cheeses because I love using these in eggs. Love, 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 and I've been missing it greatly. 0 smart points for 1 serving. Then I'm trying a couple new things. I got the riced cauliflower stir-fry. This is 1 smart point for 2 cups of the stuff. I don't even know how much is in here. 4.5 servings, so about 4.5 cups. So for about half the bag, it's 2 smart points. And to go along with that Asian theme, I got my hands on the chicken cilantro mini wontons. For 4 of them, it's 1 smart point, and I went up to 12. 12 of them is 4 smart points. Still, that's an amazing meal. Like that plus that, delightful. I'm so excited. I hope these are as good as everyone says they are. And then the last thing is my restock of the Gorgonzola gnocchi. I love, love, love this. It is 9 smart points for a serving. It is not Weight Watchers friendly, but it is divine, you guys. It's so good. We had it with dinner last night, and I always have one of these in my freezer as a quick side dish for when my husband is home. So, very good and very much worth the points. And that, I believe, is everything that is in this week's grocery haul for Weight Watchers Freestyle. I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button that's right down there if you're not already subscribed for more awesome Weight Watchers related and some non-Weight Watchers related content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!